So welcome back to Electric Vehicle channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So today we have one of the owners of Pure EV e-tron plus electric cycle. So let's see the complete owner review of e-trans plus electric cycle. So can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi, this is Uday. I'm a respiratory therapist by profession. I'm a owner of this e-tron plus Pure EV e-tron plus cycle. Why I choose the e-tron plus is the most important thing. There is a lot of cycles, e-cycles in the market. Because of my requirements, this is the perfect cycle. I believe in that. I did a lot of research to buy this e-tron plus. The main reason I choose the e-tron plus is the battery. The battery is portable battery, which I'll stay in the 5th stair. So I can carry this battery and charge at my home, and I come back and I place the battery back, so I can ride my cycle back without any discomforts.
So what is the price of this e-tron plus electric cycle when you bought it?
The price of this e-tron plus is 32,000. I bought in the Bajaj EMI with 0% finance, so it helped me a lot. Paying 2,000 per month is not a big deal, so I can pay this e-tron plus. So I bought it with the home, like not paying a rupee, just gone to showroom. I bought it, just I'm paying 2,000 per month. The complete EMI was done. There is no more EMIs. I paid in advance.
So tell us the specifications of this e-tron plus. Like they are offering 25 kph speed, because it is a low speed vehicle and it is a no license vehicle. So what is the range you are getting? I think the company promised 80 kilometers of range. So do you got the 80 kilometer range?
Actually no. The company said around 60 kilometers with pedaling. I got around 40 or something. That's it. 30 to 40 in between. With pedaling I got 60. Obviously I can say with pedaling I got 60. Without pedaling I got 30 to 40 in between. The specifications is pretty good. The front suspension, back both, rear and back disc brakes, front headlight with horn, odometer with big display. It's most important thing, it's a big display. Why? Because in display we have a lot of things. How many kilometers you have going, I mean how many kilometers per hour you are going, how many wattage is there, how much the battery level, the pedal assist control, everything is there. The top speed of this cycle is 25 kilometers per hour. After this 25 kilometers per hour, the motor will be cut off.
Okay.
The motor power will be cut off, completely zero. After that, if you wish to pedaling, you can pedal. If not, it will leave. It will come slowly down, like 24, 23, 22, and again it will pick up. The constant speed it's maintaining at 25 kilometers.
So tell us about the braking of this e-tron plus. Are you satisfied with the braking of e-tron plus and the suspension?
We do have bilateral brakings. That's completely disc brakes. The disc brakes are more advantage actually more advantage for this cycle. Why? Because we can't control at 25 kilometers per hour with rubber brakes. That's impossible. So the disc brakes are highly recommended for this. So the company people gave me with the disc brakes installed by when I bought this. Suspension is pretty good. We can say average. I do have a problem with suspension front. Firstly, so they replaced me with the new suspension. After that I'm getting small issues right now, so I think that's not a major issue, so we can resolve. I can resolve, I think.
So have you ride this electric cycle in rain, in water levels? Have you tested this anywhere? And also, have you charged this electric cycle and didn't use this electric scooter for a long time? So did you observe any discharge of the battery if you didn't use this battery for a long time?
Yeah, I did ride this cycle in the rainy season, and in the Hyderabad we got a lot of floods now. So I ride this cycle in the floods also. I kept the cycle in the rain in complete 6 to 7 hours completely. So there is no single complaint for water, like going into the battery, going into the controllers, going into the motor. There is no complaint. It's very good. But the problem is, while you are running in the water, it will sprinkle back, like when you are pedaling, so the back will rotate now.
Yes.
It will sprinkle back to you.
The water.
The water will sprinkle back.
Okay.
So that is the major problem. I cannot find the mudguard to this to stop the sprinkles. Moving to the suspension, there is no complaints in the rainy season.
What about the battery discharge?
The battery discharge There is no discharge actually. I kept the charging for this battery and I not used it for this battery around 3 to 4 days. There is no discharge of this battery. It's 36 volts battery, so there is not even single digit. I mean, coming to 36 to 34. 36 to 32, there is no discharge. It's lithium ion batteries, they are very good.
So you have using this electric cycle for almost 1 year, right?
Yes.
So what are the positives and negatives of this e-tron plus electric cycle? Can you please share to our audience?
Yeah, we do have pros and cons for this cycle. I'll explain the cons first. As I said previously, the water is sprinkling back while you are riding in the rainy season, or when you have water in the land, water in the road, it will sprinkle back. So that is the main issue. Second thing is suspension. I told this earlier too. Third thing is back suspension. We don't have the back suspension yet, but we do have the good seat suspension.
Okay.
It's very good. After that, throttle issues. We do have throttle issues. As this is a earlier cycle from the Pure EV, this is the first cycle I think so. We do have throttle issues in this. While we are riding, the throttle will suddenly stop getting to run the motor. Suddenly it will stop. Later on it will pick up, like in a 20 seconds, 10 seconds it will pick up back. After that, brake issues. The brake pads will go away in 1,000 kilometers. So we have changed the brake pads in 1,000 kilometers. After that, the brake sounds.
Okay.
That's more irritating. It's very irritating. The brake sound is completely irritating. After changing the brake pads, I got a little bit noisy sounds. After that, I called the Pure EV service person. So he have changed something pads or something. Later on, I'm getting the same thing. It is getting slowly. It is getting away.
Okay.
So we will hope it will get away. The gears. The cons is gears. The gears are average. Don't expect much. It's okay. You can ride in the locals.
Okay.
Don't go in the highways to ride 30-40 kilometers.
Okay.
The gears are average for local 10 meter 10 kilometers radius. It's very good. It is 7 gears. It's only back gears. There is no non-front gears.
Okay.
There is only back gears. There are positive for this cycle too. The first positive is the portable battery. This most important and very important thing in metro cities and major cities. You can't keep the charging in 5th floor while you are staying at home. So you can take and go, and you should keep the charging in the home. So you can come back and you can place. Second thing is build quality. The frame, the brakes, the metal they have used is very good. The weight balancing is very good. The third pro is also disc. Why? Because with rubber brakes you can't handle this cycle with rubber brakes. Okay. The company gave me the disc brakes. The disc brakes are very good with stopping the cycle. Good for local uses for 10 kilometers. As I said earlier, this is very good cycle for 10 kilometers radius while traveling to your job, or you can bring some groceries. You can go for some riding. You can go for some anything. This is very good cycle. The 2.35 inches tires is very good for grip. The road grip is very excellent. While we place the brakes, the road grip is very good. While we place the brakes, it stops. It can't skid. It's very good. It's very good tires. While we go in the speed, while we go in the low speed, while we turn, everything is good. The tires are excellent. The mainly important thing is pickup. The company said around 7 seconds to pick up to 0 to 25. I did a full charge. I tested it. So it took me around 7 to 8 seconds. It's pretty good actually. And the other thing is digital speedometer. We do have a big display. We can clearly notice in the night or even sunshine, we can clearly notice how many kilometers you are traveling, okay, how many kilometers you have traveled, okay, and which pedal assessment you have, and how many wattage with the motor is consuming, okay, how much battery is left while you are pedaling or while you are throttling, okay, how much battery you have left without pedaling or without throttling. Okay. Everything you can see. You don't want any license, RC, etc. You don't need anything. Just you can ride the bike. That's it. Okay. It's a less maintenance cycle. There is a less. Why I mentioned the less because there is a small things. Why? Because we do want to charge the battery. We do want to change the disc pads. Okay. The only things are both. Okay. There is no more maintenance. This cycle helped me a lot in the lockdown. Meanwhile, the medical professionals are going here and there for duties. So as a medical professional, This cycle helped me a lot, like going in the lockdown to attend the shifts. We don't have any license, so we don't want to show any license RC for this cycle, so we can simply go. No one will stop, no police will stop. In nowadays also the traffic is very high. I can give 7 out of 10 for this cycle. Living in a cities like metro cities or something, you can choose this cycle.
So is the Pure EV offered any kind of service to you, because the company gave you 1 year warranty on this electric cycle, right? So did you face any problems, any parts are having any kind of issues, and if it is not worked, if you did the company change you for free of charge, and what did they, or else if they charge, how much they charge for you?
They offered me 1 year warranty for the whole body and a 2 year warranty for the battery. I do have some issues on starting, like the gears, this front gear knobs and suspensions,
Okay.
like gears, backside gears. So they have changed me completely on free of cost. After the 1000 kilometers, the disc pads are gone. So they have changed the disc pads and they charged only for disc pads and service.
How much did they charge?
They charged me around 1000 rupees. The company is a company always.
So the response is good from the service.
The response is average, we can say.
Okay.
Not much.
It is taking time if you
They are-
place a complaint.
They are taking so much of time. If you place a complaint, they should come. They should check the vehicle. If there is a problem that they can't solve there,
Okay.
or they will take and go to the some
Their
shop, their manufacturing plant or something, so they can change the part or they can repair. I do have some issues in this, though they are not solving right now. Like they are saying, we can't find that. We are unable to find the cause of in the throttle. So let us give some time. So they're saying. So I hope this will get solved.
So finally, whoever interested to buy e-tron plus electric cycle, will you suggest this electric cycle to them?
I suggest based on their needs.
Okay.
If you are staying in somewhere in second floor or third floor, you can buy this. If you are staying in the downstairs, like ground floor in your independent house, you can go for Ignite Plus. Ignite Plus is very good. It's very lightweight. This is 25 kgs. You can buy this around 20 kgs or something. That is very good. The weight balance is also very good in that. I can suggest you this e-tron Plus based on your priorities.
So that's the complete owner review about e-tron plus electric cycle. Seems to be he is like 60% happy with this electric cycle and 40% some issues, and the minor issues are actually the service taking some long time, and also some issues are not even resolved from the company. So that's the complete review of e-tron plus electric cycle. And I want to personally thank Mr. Uday for this review, because he is working as a healthline warrior in this COVID-19 times, and these healthline warriors are working for 18 hours a day, and also they are sleeping for only 6 hours. Even today also he came during his sleep only. He came from Lingampalli to Miyapur only for the sake of this review. And we want to thank everyone of these healthline workers for their dedication during this COVID-19 pandemic. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.